Hello.
Hi.
Welcome. Good evening.
Hi.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we're celebrating Valentine's. This holiday celebrates love, romance, the story of Saint Valentine. I got the praise. Hello. Wala. Okay. We start again from the start. From the top. Okay. Once again, good evening, everyone. Tonight, we are celebrating Valentine. This holiday celebrate
Parang si Miriam Kiambo lang eh. Parang si Miriam ano lang eh, Santiago.
Valentine. I got the praise from the Bible, verse 15, chapter 17, and it says, love makes us patient, understanding, and kind, and we judge with our hearts,
Ning.
not with mind.
Hi. Happy Valentine's.
Enter the heart, open
Happy
the door.
Valentine.
The faults we once saw
Happy Valentine.
are not there anymore.
Yan, mga mo yan na Happy Valentine.
Better is
Happy
the
Valentine.
deeper hearts where love is the
Happy
cause
Valentine.
and heartbreak.
Happy Valentine.
There is kinds of love.
Yan mo yan.
Only the big and panic.
May picture ng ay,
Pink.
Happy Valentine's ma.
Happy Valentine. Galit eh. Si Mami. Mami, sige. Albert, sige yung picture mo na. Hindi naman naman
Naglit, nagbibidyo.
That can buy even the most famous and expensive store on earth. And no, we are all away from our celebrating such occasion is love, heartbreaking, and the most sad thing when homesick attack us. Tonight, we celebrate joy, dance, even in a short time, forget all sorrows we are facing. Tonight, forget all bad things. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy the night and good evening.
Thank you, Miss Abby, for that wonderful message to all of us.
Tatatan. Sige na, upo ka
It's
doon.
been a great night for today because after
Yan, Happy Valentine.
we had a party, now we
Happy
had
Valentine.
I'm so glad
Bro,
that
Happy Valentine.
to celebrate with us once
Happy
again.
Valentine. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine.
We had a lot of surprises that
Ayan, okay na. Videoan mo naman ako para kasama ako sa video mo.
first of all,
Happy Valentine.
we have
Valentine.
a selection of Miss Valentine and top surprise numbers from the group.
Okay, that's for that's for